In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your job applications on Indeed by guiding you through the process of deleting an application. Whether you're fine-tuning your job search or just keeping your list tidy, this quick process will help you maintain control over your job application journey. Now let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Indeed website. Simply type in Indeed in the search bar or enter the web address directly if you're already familiar with it. Indeed is a very popular job search platform that many people rely on, so it's likely you have already visited this site before. If not, you'll find that the homepage is straightforward and user-friendly, making it easy for you to navigate. Once you're on the Indeed homepage, look for the My Jobs section. This area is dedicated just for you, so you can manage all your job search activities in one place. It's a very handy feature that stores all the jobs you've viewed, saved, or applied to, effectively helping you keep track of your job hunting progress. If you've logged in before, your account details will likely appear. If not, just log in using your credentials. After you've accessed the My Jobs section, you will need to go to the subsection labeled Applied. This section is crucial because it lists all the jobs you have applied to using Indeed. It's a convenient way to keep an eye on your pending applications and track any follow-ups or interviews. Achieving a clutter-free organizational system helps you focus on new opportunities and maintain efficiency in your job search. Now, if there's a specific application that you want to remove from your list, look for 3 small dots next to the job application in question. This option is usually found to the right side of each listing. Clicking these dots reveals a drop-down menu with different actions you can take. In this case, the option you're interested in is Delete. Clicking Delete will prompt the system to remove that job application from your list. Don't worry about accidentally losing any critical information. This action only removes the listing from your Applied section within your account. Any records of communication with potential employers remain safe and unaffected elsewhere. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to declutter your Indeed account. Maintaining a clean and organized job search profile helps ensure that you're always on top of your game, able to quickly respond to new opportunities without getting caught up in unnecessary details. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial helped streamline your job search experience on Indeed. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy job hunting!